So front in or shipping expenses that we paid on the merchandise we brought is front in, which is to be recorded as a debit to front in. Front in is not expenses but treated as cost, which is an addition to purchase. Thus it is considered an adjunct account. So to illustrate, paid front on shipping of merchandise purchase is 5,000 pesos. So this is our journal entry. Front in, the debit is 5,000 and the cash is in credit is 5,000. So we are now in a selling activity. In this activity, the business in the seller, it may sell merchandise to customers either in cash or in credit term. So the selling price of an item is composed of the cost of the merchandise upon purchase and the amount of profit added to it. And if the business brought merchandise at cost of 20 pesos each and the amount of profit is one to have is 10 pesos, the selling price is of the item is 30 pesos. To simplify, we then say that 30 pesos represents the selling price and 20 pesos represents the cost of merchandise sold and the 10 pesos represents the gross profit. And the merchandise sold is recorded by the business as a credit to an account called a sales, which is an income account. To an account called when we sell the good of merchandise we bought, we are liable of VAT of 10% on such sales. The tax on our sales called output tax. So, given our two cases, which will illustrate the sale of merchandise in cash, and the other or on account. So, first is assume the merchandise we bought costing 20,000 pesos was sold is 30,000 pesos. So, our gross profit is 10,000. And case number one, if sold in cash, this is our journal entry. In our cash, our debit is 33,000 and the sale is in credit is 30,000 and on output tax is 3,000. This is the record sales of merchandise in cash. So in case number two, if sold on account, this is our journal entry, and in our account receivable in debit is 33,000 and our sale is in credit is 30,000 and on our output tax is 3,000 in credit. So this is a record sales on account. Take note, as compared with the journal entry in case 1, it differs only on the account being debited, which is account receivable instead of cash. In our upon collection in our account in cash is in 33,000 in debit and accounts receivable is in credit is 33,000. This is a record collection from customer's account.